Hi friends, let me show you this new kitchen faucet that I received for viewing purposes. It's a nice stainless steel faucet. This is the accessory that goes in the sink. Let me show you. This is the actual faucet. Let me explain to you first. These are the hoses that are going to go to your hot and your cold water. This is the hose that will help the pull down sprayer to go back to its place. You put this weight in it, so it will help you move around your pull down sprayer, okay? As you can see, we will be able to use it in 3 different ways. We're going to show you in a few minutes. And you will be able to do cold, hot, or mild water, okay? So it's a nice faucet for your kitchen, for any kitchen, and it's so simple to install. You get this helping accessory to tighten this in from the down part of the sink, okay? So let's install it and see how it looks. Let's go.
Okay guys, now it's ready. It's look very beautiful. It has this degree of movement, which is nice, and also what I like the most is that you can extend the hose and you can turn it the hot and the cold depending of which one you like. You can see you can wash around with this button, stop the water flow, which is really nice. Or you can even change the pattern of the water. This more like shower one. Like this. And stop like this. Which is really nice. You can see it looks beautiful. It was very easy to install. It looks great here on the countertop, so we will really recommend it. See ya.